Okay, I got my little Quansheng UVK6 radio. Want to bring it to life on HF. This Titus got to photobomb the video. Right now with a rubber ducky, I'm picking up everything underneath the sun from a high-power radio station, WSYB and I don't know what the FM station, WZRT, I don't know. They keep changing the call letters. About 3/4 mile away. So my idea is I tried to build a homebrew indoor antenna, which didn't really work. So I ordered a little CB 27 megahertz antenna. Let me get it out of the package and show you. So I got this little telescoping antenna. It's got a B and C on the adapter. Thing pulls out, and right there I got the appropriate adapter for the Quansheng. So I'm going to undo that antenna. Now Louie's photobombing the video. And we're going to see if we can pick something up on HF or if the radio station signals overload the. And now here's Leo photobombing the video. Just finished screwing this thing in, snug that down, and we'll get that whip out of the package, get it mounted to it. Okay, doesn't feel too bad. I don't know what the plastic around here is, just where they got it transitioned. BNC adapter looks good. I don't know how long the whip is. Feels like chrome-plated material. Probably brass with some kind of chrome plating. Let me get it extended out and see how long it is. Okay, got that out there. Goes probably 4.5, 5 feet. Yeah, you got the cat toys all over the living room. So let me get this on the radio. Let's see what happens. Okay, got it on the radio. There's a little bit of heft. I'm going to hold my finger on there to support that. Last thing I need to have is antenna problems with the SMA adapter. Anyways, doesn't feel too bad as long as you support it. Let me get into the VFO mode. That's my All-Star node on top and Killington 88 on the bottom. Let me get into the VFO mode and we'll be back. Okay, I'm on the CB band. I figured I'd try this out. 27085, I think is channel 9. I broke the squelch. Oops, we're picking up something. Some CB are probably running illegal power. Let's get out of this band and go to 10 meters. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm at 28,300 upper sideband, if you can see that. I think I had, well, I got to change a tuning step. Oh, how the heck did I do that? Anyways. It's like a soft mute when you go open buttons. Okay, getting close to something. A little bit of white noise there. Trying to hold the antenna up in the air and move it around. It's hitting the ceiling. Oh, there we go. It turned it on a 45. Anyways, where we were picking them up, let me just pause the camera and see if I can find somebody else. Find that in my apartment, if I hold the radio on like a 45-degree angle, it comes in better. Okay, November 5 X-ray Zulu. May not have them tuned in properly, but close to damn enough. May not have them tuned in perfectly. Somebody just gave somebody a 5x3 signal, but now I don't hear them. Trying to move the antenna around. Some beats. Bands in and out. May not be tuned in perfectly. Oh, I went too high. I forgot where he just was. Damn it, I lost him. God, hard to tune this thing and then hold the camera at the same time. Seems like it might have two guys right on top of each other. Come on, pick up. Some QSB on the band, apparently. The W3 JXY just working the guy in there, but now I'm picking up some of the interference from the radio station. So if I turn the antenna to the right 45 degrees, fades away, go back to the left, I get the radio station. So where'd W3 JFY go? Son of a beach. Okay, I found my adapter cable. Goes up here, and then I took some of this galvanized wire, built a little bit of coil, about 5-6 feet of wire after it. Just kind of like listening here around 10 meters. Every once in a while, I'm only about 3/4 mile from WSYD 1380 AM. I think they put out like 5,000, 10,000 kilowatts during the daytime and 5,000 a night. And I'm picking up some RF overload. That's what happened when I had an RTL SDR dongle. It just got overloaded. I did order a little adapter that goes in the top and one of those CB-BNC adapter antennas. So we'll see if that makes any difference in my improvised antenna. But the inductance I have in here wound, not perfect, should be sufficient for at least 10 meters, maybe down to 20. I just don't think it's picking anything up. Maybe I need to look for another. Oh, I heard something now. You got me on that one. Anyways, I'm about ready to give up. I'm just going to wait for that antenna to come in the mail, and I don't know. Maybe I just sell this thing off as a novelty item. So something just happened there. Picked up some RF. I don't see my All-Star maybe going out, so I'm not sure what went across the receiver. And I'm not sure how to get a finer tuning step than the 1/10 of a KC, whatever the hell can I have it on. So, anyways, I can't do any better than that. Sounds like there's a way to reduce the static. Underneath that static, I'm hearing some Morse code. Audit. Get. I can't make it out. Too much static in this thing. I have no idea what these settings do. Start increasing. Not sure if changing the IF, which is intermittent frequency of the receiver, did anything. Not sure if those are just birdies. Quansheng KC1 CVT says there's activity in 28,490. Let's get up to 28,490.
That was 3 hours ago, so I don't know if the activity is still going to be there or not. I just hear a heterodyne. Anyways, we'll also play with this one further.
This is the Quansheng UVK6. Cool little radio. I gave it an Exer. I can't remember how it's pronounced. Mod in here now, or I can upload the IJV. I have 2.616 something software into it. The problem is I live 3/4 of a mile from a very high power radio station, WSYB and WJER, something like that. Every 25, every 50, 100 KCs, all I'm getting is either the AM or the FM music out of the radio stations. So the SDR chipset in this receiver, like an RTL SDR dongle I had a few years ago, is getting overloaded. It's just not sense enough to filter that out. And the little HF receiver for me just doesn't work. It's too much. So anyways, I paid $35 for it. Tell me what software you want. I'll ship it to you for, say, $30. That includes shipping and tracking and insurance. So want to save a little money on one and get one already modded, you tell me which one of the two firmwares you want. I'll load it up and mail it to you. You send me the money via PayPal first. Anyways, maybe somebody's interested, but just doesn't work where I live and I'm disabled, and the few times I'm going to go out into the woods and the wilderness to use it away from the radio station could be once in a blue moon, so it really doesn't serve any purpose for me, sadly.